Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to achieve my minimalist makeup routine. And the main feature of this video are Merit Beauty products. They were so kind to notice such a small YouTuber like me. This is how it goes every time. I can't even be mad. But I have been using these for a week now, ever since they were delivered, and I'm so excited to show you guys how I have effortlessly incorporated these products into my every single day makeup routine. So to prep my skin, I am first going to start off with my Neutrogena Hydroboost Gel Moisturizer. I would love to find a clean moisturizer with hyaluronic acid that doesn't, I don't know, like add to my oils. Like I tried the Summer Fridays Cloud Dew and it wasn't as good as just the simple Neutrogena. For primer, I'm going in with my Haze Beauty Refine Soft Matte Poreless Primer. And the packaging of Merit Beauty's products are just so beautiful. And you get their signature bag for free with your first purchase on their website. And this is just beautiful. I love the entire concept of this brand. So the CEO of the brand was actually trying to figure out why she was getting so sick during her pregnancy, and she realized how many toxins are in her makeup, and that is what started this brand. So I think that is just amazing. So let's go in with her Perfecting Complexion stick. I will be using this as foundation. You can use it as concealer. You can get a deeper shade to use it as a cream bronzer or contour. Mine is in the shade Bisque. This is a perfect neutral, and the coverage of this product has really blown me away. I mean, granted, I go in with quite a bit, but it is a true medium coverage. It's just beautiful. Now I'm going in with the brush number 1. This also has blown me away. This is absolutely a new staple in my routine. Look at how beautiful that blends out. This color works really well for me because I can make it work when I'm freshly self-tan like I am today, and then I can make it work when I'm not self-tanned. I would love to purchase another shade in a deeper color for a cream bronzer because this is just, I mean, look at that. It's so beautiful. Just looks like skin. This brush, I mean, it could not be a better invention for this complexion stick. I am just so pleasantly surprised. I did not think that this product would have as much coverage as it does. And I am concealing my eyes with my Haze Beauty Rewind Blurring Full Coverage Concealer. I'm using my all-time favorite beauty sponge. This is by Beauty Creations. I completely forgot to mention this sponge in my 2021 favorites video, along with the Makeup by Ariel brushes. Those are amazing. To warm up my face, I'm going to be using my Soul Body Face and Body Bronzing Balm. This is in the shade Light. For blush, I am going in with the Merit Beauty Raspberry Beret. This is so beautiful. Like, this is the warm berry cream blush that I have been waiting for my whole life. So I just like to dab this right where I normally place powder blush. I'm just gonna blend this out. So beautiful. Also just using my sponge to make it look soft and natural. Now I am going to set this all into place with my also a clean beauty product. This is the Ilia Translucent Setting Powder. I first just like to set underneath my eyes with a sponge, and then I go in with a brush for the rest of my face. To start the contour process, I will be using the Dior Backstage palette with the shade right here for my nose. And just gonna use my sponge to blend that out a little bit, or a lot of it. To contour the rest of my face, I'm using my Natasha Denona Sculpting Contour Powder. And this is in the shade Medium 2. And for highlight, I'm using the Merit Beauty Day Glow Highlighting Balm. Mine is in the shade Cava. The way I have preferred to apply this is with my fingers. I just warm the product up, and then I am just going to tap this very lightly onto my cheekbones. So I have been playing around with this product to figure out the best way to apply it on my skin, and this seems to do the trick. So just right over all of the products, you just want to pat it in very lightly so that you are not shifting everything that we've applied underneath so far. I'm also going to put a little bit in my inner corners. So beautiful. And I'm also going to do a little bit on my brow bones. Some on my Cupid's bow. There we go. For my eyebrows, I will also be using Merit Beauty. So we are going to start off with their Brow 1980 Volumizing Pomade. Mine is in the shade Brown. Look at this packaging. It is so sleek and beautiful. So I am first just going to brush this through my brows. This is a great product, especially if you have sparse. Do you ever have that moment where you say a completely normal word and you're like, is that even the word? When you have thin brows like I do, this is such a beautiful product to just get that fuller look. And it also replaces my brow wax too. So I just start off with that solid brow color. Like my brow hairs look like they're tinted now. And to give them that defined shape now, I'm going in with my usual Colourpop Brow Boss in the shade Dark Brown, just to lightly shape them more. And just brushing that through like normal. For setting spray, I'm using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. For mascara, I am using the Merit Beauty Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara. I'm also a sucker for the packaging of their mascara. So beautiful. And this just gives you those fluffy, like fawn eyelashes. Even with my oily skin, my oily eyelids, this does not flake or run at all during my entire workday. This is the difference that just one coat makes on my lashes. This is such a beautiful mascara. And because of it being clean beauty, it does not irritate my sensitive contact wearing eyeballs. So there is one coat. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply another quick coat. There we go. Beautiful clump-free lashes. For my lips, I am first going in with my Colourpop Lippie pencil in the shade Ashton. I use this every single day. I don't even have to search anymore for the perfect lip liner because this is it. I am using my Merit Beauty shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil, and mine is Bel Air. That feels so good on the lips. I love it. Lastly, I am just gonna go in with a little bit of my new nude lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the shade Haze. This is their new satin lipstick. And it is perfect. All right, you guys, this completes my minimalist makeup routine. I seriously cannot thank Merit Beauty enough for noticing me and for being so kind and generous to send me their products to play around with. I am loving them. I am seriously obsessed. I cannot recommend this brand enough. If you are interested in shopping their collection, click my link down in the description box to give them a try. Otherwise, I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. All right, I will see you all next time. Bye! Hun buns. Come here. You see, if I close the door, he will sit outside of it meowing and clawing at the door, so. Oh, I just don't even know what to do at this point. Like, he loves the camera. He loves hearing me talk. He probably just thinks that I am going crazy. Like, I am sitting in my room. I'm not talking to anyone else but myself. He's probably like, oh my gosh, she's going insane.